Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a PowerForm here in DocuSign. All right, so first up, log into your DocuSign account. And then here, go to the top and start with templates, okay? Just click on it. Now, if you don't have a template right here, just go ahead and make one, create a new template, or save one of your documents as a template, okay? Just click on Save as a Template, wait for it to load, and then once done, Save as Template, okay? Or save and close. Once done, restart this page, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, here you have your template. Now go ahead and click on three dots. Now scroll down and find Create a PowerForm. If you can't see PowerForms right here, that means that you would need an upgraded plan, okay? Make sure that you are on a DocuSign plan. So once you have the plan, go to Home right here, and you will be able to see, under Agreements, PowerForms, okay? When you click on it, just hit on Upgrade. Now, once you've upgraded, just go back to Templates, click on the three dots, and just enable PowerForm in this specific template. Once you click on Create PowerForm, you'll be landed to this page, okay? You only need to name the particular PowerForm, the email subject, and the instructions, okay? Under Summary, you have the PowerForm name, template, and some other details. You click on Option, you'll be able to see email validation, message to all signers. And once that's done, at the very bottom, you have the Create button, okay? Just click on Create. And after that, you'll be shown a link or URL of this specific PowerForm. Also, the option to copy the embed code so you can use it on one of your websites, okay? That's basically it. That's how you create a PowerForm in a DocuSign. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.